never been a trap dude, but my weight ready to pack. Cake ready to batter the ladder and notes we sung. Finer with the minor, the major things that come. Now see, I'm trying to find a balance in music and things of life, but have it so break balance and use it to flee the light. I'm usually eating right, and new to me is the bright. I'm typically getting drunk, you're finishing with the blunt, right? I see the end is coming, never been fluent in jumping, so I strap my rocket, check my pockets until earth